Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing a day in my life video for college. I am really excited. This is the first week back at school. Today is actually Friday. I don't have classes today, but I do have online classes and I need to do some things for those. So that's what I'm going to be doing here in a minute. So for all of days, I got ready so I could film and be pretty for you. And then I just like cleaned up my room a little bit. If you guys don't remember, I was supposed to get a new roommate Saturday and now today's Friday. So like it's almost been a whole week and no roommate. Don't know where she's at, but I mean, I'm not complaining. I made a to-do list for today. Right, holy crap. Here's my to-do list for today and tomorrow. I have more things to do, but then I started writing tomorrow's and then I ran out of space. I was like, okay, whatever, I guess not. I'm going to get started on some of my online classes.
Mathematicians talk about axioms, integrals, and vector spaces. Economist language. In the coming chapters, the language may seem needlessly arcane.
Follow the scientific method. We decide on what assumptions we want to make when we develop them.
I just did this, but look how many more I have to go. Are you kidding me? It's still going. And then I have to take a test after that. Love that for me. I like doing this thing with my hair recently where I make it do this. I don't know why. I didn't finish my econ just because it was so much work and I was like, I need a break. So I'm gonna take my syllabus quiz. It's one of those, like, if you guys are in college, I don't know if you guys have this, but it's like a lockdown response browser, I think. It's basically like something that like completely like shuts down your entire computer where you can't use it, and it like videotapes you taking tests. Kind of creepy if you ask me, but like whatever. I guess like cheating's a bad thing. I have lunch plans. Oh, I just choked on my own spit. How attractive was that? But I have it with a friend that like doesn't like being on YouTube. So people just don't like it. So like we're not gonna show that. So yeah, that's in like 30 minutes. So hopefully I can finish. It looks so weird. Just finished the syllabus quiz with like the respondus thing, and I printed out the syllabus because it's open notes and I didn't even use it, so I like printed out like all this paper for nothing. So right now I want to get dressed because I've been wearing this outfit. This is my third day wearing this. That's disgusting. I don't think I mentioned this earlier in the vlog today, but my friend Allie works for a senior photographer. Her name's Lisa J. Carter, and she like wants to do photos for us. I think that'd be really fun and cool, so we have that today. It's been rescheduled so many times. We're doing it today at like 2 o'clock. I bought some clothes for because we want to do like outfit changes and everything. I'll vlog it, but we just want to get some like cool Instagram pictures. Side note, by the way, follow me on Instagram, KeeganTaylor13. I've had this new obsession with stalking you guys and like following you. I talked about this in one of my videos, but like following you guys back and like stalking you because I get bored really easily, and I think it's just really fun to like see who's following me and like interact with them. I try to talk to you guys as much like DMs and things like that. Like I try my very hardest. It's not always successful, but I try. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you should. I bought these two outfits. They're not really outfits, they're just sweaters from Forever 21 yesterday. I'm gonna put them in my roommate who's non-existent closet. This is kind of like the vibe I'm going for. Pinky, reddish, these kind of colors. This is sweater. They're both from Forever 21. This one said like happy holidays on it, and it also said deal. It says this, but it wasn't even on sale. It was literally like $25. So but I have this, and I thought I would like do like a little French tuck thing into white jeans. And then I also bought this. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but I actually bought them separately. Like I bought this, and then I was walking out and I saw this, and my sister told me it was ugly, but I liked it so much that I bought it, and I don't know what I'm gonna style it with. I didn't even try this one on. I saw this and I was like, I need it. I'm trying to decide if I want to go pick up my books or if I want to finish my econ thing. Probably go pick up my books. I just put this sweater on. I think it looks really cute. I just talked to someone from housing. She told me that since my roommate hasn't moved in, they have like 3 weeks to move in, so I have 2 more weeks alone, and then if she doesn't move in, then they'll give me a new person, which I'm fine with. So I have 2 more weeks alone if she doesn't move in. So Hey guys, really bad lighting. It's been a while. I got my books, I got lunch with a friend, and then I like quickly got ready, and like it was a whole thing. I stressed. I just finished my photo shoot. I showed you guys some little clips of us taking photos, which I thought was really fun. I am now going back home to get my car because my car wouldn't unlock, which is like gonna need your car to unlock. So yeah, I'm driving my mom's car right now. So I'm going back home to go get my car because I needed that. So I can drive back to Tempe. I'm gonna be in the car for like hours today, but then I need to like do all my stuff, getting my car. We're gonna see my dogs who look like rats right now because I got groomed. But like the photo shoot was really fun. I changed my outfit a few times. I won't have the photos yet when you guys see this video, but I will post them on Instagram when I get them. So follow me at Keegan Taylor 13. I'm at a red light right now. Here's me in another car a little bit later. I'm back in my car. I got it back. I think they scratched my car. I'm not gonna lie, because there's some scratches that like I know I've scratched my car like a few times, but like not that many. So like those scratches are definitely not from me. My dogs were not home. I was very disappointed. I was like, what the heck? I'm gonna go to Target to get some like notebooks and school supplies and everything like that. I have 2 hours to kill before rush hour ends. It took me forever to get here because rush hour was just so chaotic. I'm just gonna try to like kill the end of rush hour. We're going to Target right now. Gotta love this place. I changed my outfit at a red light, but they really like improved this Target so much. But the one thing that they like suck at is everything is either a size 0 or like a size 16. Like that's the only thing they have in stock for like everything anytime I come here. So Target, please restock your inventory more. But like great, you're doing amazing, sweetie, for everything else. I should not be buying these, but these are just so much better than like the regular ones. Like any of the shaped Reese's are so good and I can't stop myself from buying them. Also, I didn't try these on. I wanted to try on them because I don't know like which size I am, because I bought the bigger size last time I was here, but they're kind of big. Constantly having to pull them up because I feel like I'm in a weight loss commercial because they're really big on me. I was like, maybe I should try the smaller size, but there were so many people. There's so many workers like around the dressing area, and I was like, ugh. Just my personal opinion, but they should really have like a mini back to school section beginning of the next semester, like spring semester, because for college students, like I don't want a 5 subject notebook. I just want like the bigger ones that are not wide ruled. So they should have like a little mini just section. You guys, I would just like to tell you a few little stories about how I am the dumbest person that has ever like stepped foot on this earth. First off, Target does have a little school section. Still ended up getting the 5 subject notebooks. That was the only like college ruled one, and like wide ruled makes me feel stupid. I just don't like wide ruled. It's just not my thing. Second off, the jeans, I bought the black ones. They're like really tight on me, but I know that like eventually they'll like stretch out. I really like the light wash ones, but like I needed like a size smaller. I think that sizing was like so messed up on mom jeans there. Those were huge on me. Those are normally like the smaller size that I wear. Like, you know, I'm like in between 2 sizes, so I needed like a size or 2 smaller, and that was the smallest one they had, so I didn't get them. Kind of wanted them, but I didn't. Second off, I thought I lost my keys. I was like walking to my car, and you walk by it, the trunk will open if you stand by it for long enough. So like if you have groceries, and it beeps, like whatever, cool. Put my card away, and then I walk back to my car, and I'm like, oh my god, my car was not unlocking, and I just got my car fixed for not unlocking. And I was like, what is going on? I was like, are you kidding me? It's still broken. So I like go to my keys. My car keys was not on this, and I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I walk over to the cart, and I like cannot find them. I like turn my flashlight on. I'm like, where is it? And then I walk back in the store, walk back to the register, couldn't find it there. Then I walked into the dressing room, couldn't find it. Walked to the clothing aisle, couldn't find it. I'm like, oh my god. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna check the cart one more time. I was looking at the wrong cart when I was looking for my keys. Stupid me. Second off, I should have known they were in the cart because my car beeped because it thought it was gonna open the trunk as I walked by it. So I should have known they were in the cart. But yeah, I was looking at the wrong cart. So I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my god, my keys are gone. Moral of the story, I'm stupid. You should unsubscribe because I'm done. Just kidding. Please don't unsubscribe. Please don't. I don't need this in my life. I'm gonna go back to ASU.
This is cute. Allie and I are getting our face painted. I kind of want Sparky. Is that bad? Is that not cute enough?
Like the eye thing. Like on the side.
I feel like I'd get an eye infection.
Like what if they just did like right here and like a butterfly or something?
Oh, that'd be cute. Oh my god, the cupcake. Should we eat a cupcake?
I can't. I don't
Is there a line?
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I don't really know what the Coachella thing was that you guys saw at the end. ASU was just putting it on and there was free food and I was like, I'm in, free food, hit me up. It was really fun. I just like went to Target after again because that's what I like to do for fun. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.